Welcome back. I'm Kibuza. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Jhon received a delegation led by UN Under Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator Mr. Holmes at the Government Office in Nay Pyi Taw Thursday. Also present at the call together with Prime Minister were Minister for National Planning and Economic Development Usuba, Minister for Social Welfare, Relief and Resettlement Maj-Gen Maung, Minister for Health Dr. Jhon, Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs Myint, Director General of Government Office Shin, and Deputy Director General of Department of International Organization and Economic of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Thant. Together with Mr. Holmes, Resident Representative of UNDP and UN Resident Coordinator Mr. Bishow Parajuli, Resident Representative of UNFPA Mr. Danial, Head of Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator Office to Myanmar Mr. Thierry, Delbreuve, and officials attended at the call. Welcome back, and from now the news in detail. Minister for National Planning and Economic Development Usoka received a delegation led by UN Under Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator Mr. Holmes at the Ministry in Nay Pyi Taw on Thursday. Also present at the call were the Deputy Minister, Director General and Deputy Director General of the Ministry of National Planning and Economic Development, Resident Representative of UNDP and UN Coordinator Mr. Bishow Parajuli, and Resident Representative of UNFPA Mr. Danial. Minister for Social Welfare, Relief and Resettlement Maj-Gen Maung received UN Under Secretary General Mr. Holmes and party at the Ministry in Nay Pyi Taw Thursday. Well-wishers at home and abroad are continuously donating cash in kind to the storm-hit areas. On 23rd and 24th July, on behalf of Chairman of Finance Receiving and Disbursement Subcommittee, Deputy Minister for Finance Revenue Danial, Vice Governor of the Central Bank of Myanmar Maung accepted over 23.84 million jets and $300 for the cyclone survivors at Donation Receiving Department of the Central Bank of Myanmar Yangon branch. With sincere goodwill and deep sympathy based on national spirit, departmental personnel, social organizations, similar families, and well-wishers from respective states and divisions are providing cash and kind assistance for the storm survivors. Well-wishers from Magoi Division donated relief supplies worth over 0.98 million jets for the storm survivors on Thursday. It is claimed that total cash and kind donations amounted to over 1,502.8 million jets up to the 24th July, including over 17.33 million jets donated through Finance Acceptance and Disbursement Subcommittee. As public healthcare services are being provided with added momentum in Yangon and Kyaw divisions under the arrangement of Ministry of Health, clinics were opened in Kadongani village in Kyaw Township, and healthcare services were provided to storm victims from 15th to 17th July. A medical team comprising Dr. Nay from Kadongani Station Hospital, health officers from Ingabu Township, and basic health staff from Kyaw Township, led by Dr. Kim Nanlong, gave medical treatments to patients and vaccinated expected mothers in Kadongani Hospital, and the clinic opened at the relief camp. Gave medical checkup to students at Village High School, raised health and disease preventive awareness in cooperation with members of social organizations. On 18th July, the medical team, in cooperation with a medical team led by Dr. Myint, gave healthcare services to storm victims in clinic opened at Maung Hospital. Members of Myanmar Jhon Township Red Cross Society are providing household goods and utensils donated by Myanmar Red Cross Society for the storm-hit people in the township. On 21st July, members of Township Red Cross Society provided 7 kinds of household utensils, including mosquito nets, blankets, aluminum pots and pans, and soaps, for 597 households in the storm-stricken Chong village and 422 households in Chong village. Under the arrangement of the Ministry of Health and the supervision of Health Department, a mobile medical team comprised with specialist Dr. Thein, pediatrician Dr. Thein, and dentist Dr. Lin has been providing healthcare services to the survivors in storm-hit regions by Thein mobile clinics starting from 21st July. Apart from rendering healthcare services, the specialist medical team also raised health awareness to the locals in those regions. So much for now. We'll bring you more. Stay with us.